Welcome to Unboxing the Treasure Coast. We're going to talk about gated communities in Port St. Lucie. The PGA Village Verano is an all-exclusive golf community located in the heart of Florida's Treasure Coast. It is neighboring the world-renowned PGA Village in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Also within PGA Village Verano is Crestwood. It's a 55-plus community, and it's gated. Within the community's gates, residents enjoy resort-style amenities geared towards a healthy lifestyle. There's an indoor junior Olympic-sized lap pool, beach entry outdoor pool, par-2 tennis courts, and a fully equipped fitness and training center. Verano has a pickleball center designed with 27 pickleball courts. On the social side, it includes a lounge, ballroom, billiards, card room, arts and crafts, lifelong learning classroom, library, and more for dozens of different clubs and resident groups to enjoy. Valencia Walk at Riverland. Valencia Walk is a new 55-plus community located within a 4,000-acre master plan community at Riverland in Port St. Lucie. The resort-style active adult community features a wide range of amenities, thoughtfully designed new homes surrounded by serene lakes and tropical landscaping. The large clubhouse is the social hub of the community, where residents enjoy working out in a fitness center, dining at the restaurant, live shows on the stage, watching games at the sports lounge, and more. Just outside, there's a resort-style swimming pool with a whirlpool, bar, and sun deck, perfect for enjoying the Florida weather year-round. My name is Pauline Crain. I'm a resident, homeowner, and realtor on the Treasure Coast. Call me for listings and details.